mahere hou hei tiaki I te tai au. Kei te takiwā o te pātaka a rā kai hautu, heoi ko ngā urupā kei tua o ngā whakaaro.
We will likely have to do something about repatriating a Te Pāpaku because our urupā is right on the waterfront.
Neke atu I te whārau kiromita o te moana kei awa tautahi. Ko whakaitia te kaunihera o tautahi mo tēnei mahere nā runga I te pikihaere o te moana ki te pātaka a rā kai hautu. E ai kia Gail no Ngāti Wheke me panoni pea I tā rātou urupā.
At Rapaki, we've got issues with mainly coastal erosion, which adds to sedimentation in the ocean, which has all different things there. Then we've also got our concerns about the seawater rise, which will impact on us, as it will for so many of our papatapu.
Ki hai te kaunihera o tautahi I whai wā ki te koro atu kia mātou o Tahu News. Heoi anō, ko tā te kaunihera nei, he pai ake te mahere pai tawhiti kia pai ake ngā whakataunga. Hei tauira, ko te pai tata I noe nei, ko te whakatu he pātū toka. Heoi anō, e kore pea e whakananawe mo te pai tawhiti, nā runga I te pikihaere o te wai, ka kore pea te pātū toka e tiaki nei I te whenua.
We just need to accept that that's the water's coming and that's nature and unfortunately we just need to find a different way of doing things. But certainly in terms of urupā, we would be very much looking at how we manage those Te Pāpaku going forward.
Hei tā Emily Lane no Niwa, kua rite rātou I ngā raraunga e korero ana mo te pikinga o te moana.
It's definitely something we want to be concerned about. I mean, it's a slow creeping hazard that's happening, so it's not sort of something that, tomorrow it's just going to be suddenly higher, but it's going to affect a lot of things in and around Christchurch. In Littleton, they have what they call Littleton vertical datum. So this is sort of like a level that if you're measuring heights, you measure it up and down. And that was set in 1937. And at the time, they basically worked out what the mean sea level was. So 0 in Littleton vertical datum was 0 back in 1937. It's now 20 centimetres higher than that.
E manoko ana a Gordon mā tēnei mahere e timata ake ngā kōrero I wainga I ngā whānau.
Actually being able to have the plan, to have been involved with assessing the needs and what might happen and what might be good responses to that has really been helpful because it gets you into a mindset of we are going to have to deal with these things.
Hei ngā marama e heke mai nei, ka timata ake ngā mahi o te mahere. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te taka.